Welcome to a world where the color pink isn't just for Valentine's Day or a baby girl's nursery. Today, we're journeying into the realm of pink indoor plants, a vibrant haven that promises to add a burst of color to your living space. Starting off at number 10, the pink Anthurium reigns supreme. Its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and striking pink spades exude a tropical charm that's impossible to resist. Its low-maintenance nature makes it a perfect choice for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners. Coming in at number 9, we have the Pink Princess Philodendron. This plant is a living piece of art with variegated leaves splashed with shades of pink. All it asks for is bright, indirect light to keep its colors radiant. Our 8th pick is the pink polka dot plant. This adorable plant, with its freckled leaves in shades of pink, white, and green, brings a playful vibe to any indoor garden. Keep it in bright, indirect light and water it regularly to keep those polka dots popping. At number 7, we have the Pink Caladium. Its large, heart-shaped leaves, painted in shades of pink and green, add a whimsical touch to any space. It thrives in a warm, humid environment, so make sure to keep it cozy. Halfway through our list at number 6, the pink prayer plant makes its appearance. Its pink veins against a backdrop of lush green foliage are a sight to behold. Plus, it's perfect for shady corners, thriving in low to medium light conditions. Moving on to number 5, the pink jasmine is a stunner. Known for its intoxicating fragrance and delicate pink flowers, this vine adds a touch of romance to any room. All it requires is plenty of sunlight and a trellis to climb on. At number 4, we have the pink gloxinia. Its trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of pink, purple, and white bring a burst of color to your indoor garden. Keep it in a bright, humid spot, and you'll be treated to a spectacular floral display. Our 3rd pick, the pink nerve plant, is a bold choice. Its vibrant pink veins against a backdrop of dark green foliage add a pop of color to any room. Just remember to keep the soil consistently moist and provide high humidity for best results. Our penultimate pink plant is the pink quill bromeliad. Its striking pink bracts and long-lasting flowers are sure to turn heads. It thrives in bright, indirect light and loves an occasional misting to keep its foliage fresh. And finally, at number 1, we have the show-stopping pink Fittonia. Its delicate pink veins on dark green leaves add a touch of drama to your indoor oasis. Keep it in a warm, humid environment, and you'll be rewarded with lush, colorful foliage. So there you have it, a countdown of the top 10 pink indoor plants that promise to bring a pop of color and a touch of elegance to your living space. From the low-maintenance pink Anthurium to the dramatic pink Fittonia, these plants offer a variety of textures, patterns, and shades of pink to suit every plant parent's taste and every home style. So why not add a touch of pink to your indoor garden today? And hey, while you're at it, drop us a comment and let us know which plants you'd like to see featured next. Your feedback means the world to us, and we love hearing from our green-thumbed community.